paano ba natin sila ma-encourage na lumaban at gawin yung chemotherapy tsaka may pag-asa pa?
Basta sa akin, ang gold standard, I have nothing against alternative medicine. Kasi madami rin nagtatanong sa akin nun. Pero para sa akin, dun pa rin tayo sa evidence-based medicine. Kung saan talaga proven na chemotherapy is first line, and then tsaka na lang sila mag-alternative. And life is good in general. So as a survivor, at saka nafe-feel ko na rin yun. I felt the depression also. But after that, parang second life mo yun. Laban pa rin. Kasi it's also not for yourself, para rin yan sa iba, sa pamilya mo, etc. And there's really hope for a cure.
Meron ka bang nakita mga positive things na nangyari with your cancer and chemotherapy at paggaling ngayon?
Oo naman. Positive things, hindi ako masyadong stressed. Although, yung stress ko is more sa mga advocacy ko. Pero, I learned to, parang gratefulness for little things in life. Dati, madrama to, pero dati yung mga sunset, mga sunrise, ganyan. Wala yan sa akin dati. Pero for a cancer survivor, pag nakakita ka ng mga sunset, you come to think that, ay, thank you, nakakita ulit ako ng ganito. Thank you that I saw another sunrise. And it makes service more meaningful. But hindi ko sinasabi dapat magka-cancer kayo. But for me, those are realizations talaga. Yung attitude of gratitude, naging extra.
Tsaka mas naging prayerful?
Prayerful, but I have really been, I pray, pero mas may kapit ako ngayon kasi parang every day I realize that you can actually talk to Him in a, parang just as a friend. And every day I just beg that life happens to me, na ayoko na siya bumalik.